Have you ever had the need to have some amazing DIYs when related to sports? Well, don't worry, because today at Ready Set Viral, we're going to bring you 8 super fun exercise DIYs. Number 1, weighted ball. Do you happen to not have any weights at home? No problem. We have the best solution. For this, all you have to do is get a broken basketball, sand, and some strong tape. Pour the sand into the ball and cover the hole with tape. Not only will this give a second life for your ball, but you'll have a better way to exercise. Don't tell us that doesn't seem awesome. Number 2, a more stylish sports bra. If you're not satisfied with the way your sports bra looks, we have an easy solution to give you a little bit more of a stylish look. All you need is some white string. First, all you have to do is wrap it through the middle of your sports bra and tie it. Cut the excess and it will look so much better. Number 3, do-it-yourself dumbbells. For this hack, all you need to do is get some cement, mix it with water, and get an old bottle and cut it in half. Pour the cement into it and place a plastic tube into it as well. Let it set. Once you're done this one, do the same thing with another old bottle, wait for it to dry, take the plastic off, and boom, perfect dumbbells at home. Number 4, sweat smell. If you are worried in the gym that your sweat is smelling a little too much, we have the perfect hack to hide it. All you need is some hand sanitizer and put some in your hand and place it where you are sweating. It'll neutralize the sweat odor and you'll smell so much better. Number 5, do-it-yourself weights. If you want even more do-it-yourself weights for home, aside from the dumbbells we told you about earlier, grab a plastic carton that juice used to be inside and put some rocks inside of it. Close it and you can exercise however you want with these weights. Number 6, mat holder. If you have problems carrying around your yoga mat, we have an amazing solution. Get some rubber bands or elastics and put them over top of each other and loop them through just like so. Repeat this step over and over until you have a large amount of them. Then, put a loop around one side of your mat, just like so, and do it on the other side so that you will have a backpack type holder. Number 7, ankle wrist weights. If you want some do-it-yourself ankle or wrist weights, all you need is 2 socks, some beans, and some black tape, as well as a little bit of sewing materials. First off, get the sock and tape both sides with black tape. Fill the sock with beans and a little bit of rice, and once you're done, sew the top of it where you put the beans and rice inside. Then, once you're done, you can wrap it around your ankles or wrists to do any exercise you would like with a little extra weight. Number 8, stop slipping in your socks. If your socks are too slippery on floors when you're trying to do some exercises, all you need to do is get a hot glue gun and put some squiggly lines onto the bottom of your socks. When you wait for it to dry, put them on and continue with your exercises and you will have a lot of grip. Anyways, that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!